Welcome to the tracker page. From here, you'll be able to securely send your certificates and credentials to employers all over the world. Assertive offers you full transparency, tracking who has accessed your certificates, the time they accessed them, and roughly where in the world they were accessed from. Sharing your certificates and credentials with potential employers is quick and easy. Assertive generates a profile containing all your information, which you can then share with anyone you like. Sharing your profile allows employers to access your certificates and information. Let's have a quick look at what your profile currently looks like to employers. To do this, click the blue Preview Profile button on the tracker page, and this will open your profile in a new tab. Now, loading your profile may take a few seconds, so for the sake of making this video shorter, I've gone ahead and clicked this button ahead of time, and cool. Here we have Davy Jones's profile. All your personal details will be displayed at the top like Davy's. If you want to change any of these details, you can do so on the settings page. Your profile also generates a summary of your current position, including the next certificate to expire, if you have any upcoming expiries within the year, and an overview of your seat time. Scrolling down, your seat time and certificates are displayed exactly as they are within the Assertive dashboard. There are, however, a few things to note here. Employers will be able to download your certificates if you uploaded a particular file with the certificate. For example, here, I can download this Advanced Firefighting Training Certificate. This means that whoever has access to your profile also has access to the certificates and files you upload. Though, not to worry, people visiting your profile will never be able to edit or destroy any of your data. Other than these minor points, this section of your profile is identical to your certificates and seat times pages on the dashboard. To send an employer your profile, simply send them one of your two links, either a generic link or a specific link. The difference between these two will be explained later. Again, employers can only access your profile using your links. Once an employer accesses your profile via one of your links, Assertive takes their location and the time they viewed your profile and displays it here on the profile map. The profile map logs all your profile views, letting you know who is accessing your information and where in the world they're accessing it from. For example, someone viewed Davy's profile via a generic link on the 23rd of January at 10 a.m. Clicking on the view will zoom in and give an address. Please note that these locations only give a general sense of where your profile was accessed from. We can also see that Viking Recruitment viewed Davy's profile. Once again, clicking on the log gives us the approximate location. On a smaller screen, it might also be useful to toggle this view box here. You can do so by clicking on the button in the top left. Feel free to scroll around the map and click on a marker. That will also highlight the view that the marker corresponds to. Your generic link serves as an all-access link to your profile. We recommend sharing your generic link with the general public or people you don't necessarily need to know the identity of. A good example of a use of a generic link would be on your LinkedIn profile. You can still see how many people are accessing your profile, but their identity is not essential. But please remember that anyone who has access to your generic link also has access to your profile, meaning they can download your certificates. Note that you may only have one generic link active at any time. Therefore, by generating a new generic link, those with your previous generic link will no longer be able to access your profile. So here we can see Davy's profile was last accessed by generic link on the 6th of April, 2021 at 9:16 a.m. I can generate a new link by pressing this new link button here in the generic link box. However, remember that doing so will make the old generic link invalid. And as we can see, we have a new link here that has not yet been visited. Specific links are for when you want to know exactly who is accessing your profile. We recommend creating and sharing specific links with prospective employers. To create a specific link, simply press the Create New Link button in the specific link box. Then enter the name of the person or the employer you wish to create the link for. So here, we'll do an example of Maersk Australia, and then hit create. A unique link here has been generated for Maersk Australia. Share this link only with Maersk Australia, and Assertive will notify you when they view your profile. If you create a lot of specific links, you can search them using the search bar here. When a specific link has been used to visit your profile, it will be shown in green, like the Viking Recruitment and Holland America links here. Specific links will show up on your profile map with their name attached, so you know exactly who viewed your profile. Here, we can see that Holland America and Viking Recruitment have viewed Davy's profile. You can also search for links quickly here on the tracker page. So here, we can search for Maersk Australia, the one we just created, and you can use these buttons to quickly copy the link or to delete the link. If you're still unsure of anything, you can find more detailed explanations in the tutorials provided below this video. Thanks for using Assertive.